While the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross looks somewhat daring with its bold body creases, slanted beltline, and slicked back roof, it's pretty tame in demeanor. The comfort-tuned suspension provides a soft ride, the lightweight steering inspires little emotion, and the turbocharged 4-cylinder delivers merely adequate power without fanfare. For many those things, along with this model's quiet and roomy cabin, standard all-wheel drive system, and attractive entry price, are all they need in a compact SUV. What's new for 2026? SEL and SEL Touring models now come standard with Eclipse Cross hood badging and built-in navigation drops off the options sheet. The price of the 2026 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross is expected to start around $29,250 and go up to $36,000 depending on the trim and options. We feel the mid-level SE model represents the best balance of value and equipment. It boasts several features over the LE model that justify its only incrementally higher price, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and dual-zone automatic climate control. The Eclipse Cross's 152 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder isn't going to set anyone's heart aflame. Paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, the engine does at least deliver power smoothly. Aggressive throttle applications evoke less engine noise than expected, and highway cruising is quiet and unremarkable, just what many buyers want from crossovers in this class. The Eclipse Cross's suspension is tuned for comfort. Taking corners with any sort of verve results in moderate body roll. That softness pays off in its ride quality, with the chassis remaining composed over broken pavement and railroad crossings. However, small cracks in the road transmit vibrations up through the steering wheel and seats, something rival crossovers such as the Ford Escape and the Kia Sportage smooth out more thoroughly. Steering is accurate and light, good for parking lot maneuverability but discouraging for backroad antics. The EPA hasn't released fuel economy information for the 2026 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross yet, but the ratings shouldn't change from the 2025 model's unexceptional results. First row. There aren't any egregiously cheap materials in the Eclipse Cross, but some rivals, such as the Mazda CX-5, offer plusher cabins. The seats are wrapped in stylish, durable fabric. Second row. For a compact crossover, the Eclipse Cross offers a good amount of legroom in the back, but headroom is somewhat limited. The Eclipse Cross has enough cargo space for a small family, but cubby storage is maxed out with more than 3 occupants on board. We fit 6 carry-on suitcases behind the rear seats and 17 in total with them folded. The rear seats fold easily, although people with shorter torsos may have trouble reaching the release levers from the cargo area. A stroller fits in the cargo area with all the seats up. Infotainment, 7.0-inch touchscreen, standard, 8.0-inch touchscreen, optional. Connectivity, Bluetooth, standard. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, optional. Audio systems, 4-speaker stereo, standard. 6-speaker stereo, optional. All Eclipse Cross models come with a touchscreen infotainment system. Base ES models get a 7.0-inch display, while LE, SE, SEL, and Black Edition models have a larger, but still relatively small, 8.0-inch screen. Only the latter offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity.